But first, democracy in action this election day. In an unprecedented move, the Pima County Board of Supervisors voted unanimously to remove Pima County Attorney Barbara Lawall as legal counsel for RICO expenditures.
This follows our investigation into questionable spending practices in the county attorney's office. Investigative reporter Valerie Cavazos joins us now with this new development.
Now remember, RICO dollars are public funds used to help fight crime, but the monies have been misused in Pima County for decades, as we've seen with the money laundering case in the Sheriff's Department. Barbara Lawall is the board's legal counsel for all matters, but because of a new, more stringent law, the board now has oversight over the county attorney's RICO expenditures. Lawall has been issuing advice on the new RICO protocols, but an Arizona judge told us that's a conflict of interest, and the board should strip that power away from Barbara Lawall.
So that was 5-0 then.
A unanimous vote by the Pima County Board of Supervisors to hire outside legal counsel to review the county attorney's RICO spending, an action already taken in Maricopa County. Chair Sharon Bronson says the board is considering hiring the same legal counsel, Artie Eves,
to work with not only the Maricopa and Pima County Board, but perhaps the other 13 counties, so we get consistency when it comes to the enforcement of RICO laws.
In an interview with KGUN 9, Pro Tem Judge Rick Romley cautioned the board about its new oversight responsibilities.
If they don't do it right and something goes wrong, they're going to be blamed.
Frankly, scares the hell out of me.
Steve Christie, Allie Miller, Richard Elias, and Sharon Bronson have voiced their concerns for weeks following 9 on Your Side investigations into Lawall's RICO spending. Lawall has pushed back on the board's request for an audit of past RICO expenditures, but it was a recent emergency RICO spending request that pushed Bronson over the edge. Lawall sent several victims' advocates to Las Vegas following the recent mass shooting. She claimed the Nevada Attorney General asked for the help, but when Bronson wanted the county attorney to prove it, Lawall refused,
saying that was privileged and that it was not within our purview. So that's a little concerning, because we're not asking her how she should spend her money. We're just asking her for some documentation.
County Administrator Chuck Huckleberry sided with Bronson, noting it was a reasonable request to ask Lawall to prove it. Now back to the outside legal counsel. Bronson says the board will first vet the person hired by Maricopa County. We'll keep you updated and continue our investigation into public corruption in Pima County.